What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome back to Investing with Paco. Today we'll be covering Evergrow coin. We'll be giving you all the latest news updates regarding Evergrow coin. Anything that you need to know, you'll see it in this video, in this channel. Plus, we'll be going over the price chart on WEBULL regarding Evergrow coin trading to see what levels Evergrow coin is trading at, and also any new resistance supports that you need to know about, like we usually do in all my videos. Plus, we'll be taking a look at a news article talking about Evergrow coin being the next Dogecoin Shiba Inu coin out there to explode and to make lots of people a lot of money. So all that and more in this video. But before we get this video started, please consider hitting the subscribe button and the like button. I upload videos just like this every single day and more on the cryptocurrency market. So if you enjoy learning about the cryptos and at the same time making money, subscribe to the channel and join the family. Also remember, I'm not a financial advisor. I only do these videos for entertain and education purposes only. Will never advise you to buy or sell any cryptocurrencies. So with that being said, let's get this video started. So like we always do in all my videos, let's head to CoinMarketCap to see how the global crypto market cap is doing currently for the past day. Honestly, not much change. We are trading kind of sideways, which is a good thing. As long as we're not going down, always a good thing trading sideways. So far, we're at a 2.09 trillion global crypto market cap, up about 0.31%. So pretty flat. Bitcoin down about 0.5%. Really not much change. It just fell from 43.5 to 43.150 pretty much. Ethereum down literally 0.01%. So not much change. Currently trading at 33.50, which is a good thing. Binance finally hit $500, currently about 0.5% up. Not much change there. Cardano is an exception. It is up about 10% and almost up 20% for the past week. Currently trading at $1.41. So hopefully you took advantages of all its dips. Also, Solana really not much change. Almost up 1%. XRP down about 0.5%. Terra Luna really flat and really not much change. Polkadot really not much change. And Dogecoin did fall off from its little mini rally, down about 6%, down to 17 cents. So Avalanche down, no, it's up 0.31%. Polygon down 2.1%, and then Shiba Inu down about 2.6%. So there's pretty much a lot of flat. I mean, there's an exception like Cardano and Dogecoin have moved Dogecoin to the downside, Cardano to the upside. So now that we got that out of the way, let's head to PooCoin app and see what Evergrow coin is doing on the price chart. Currently, we are trading at 10.16. We can see that, when was it? Yesterday, yeah, 15 yesterday. We did end up dipping under the 10 and gave back a zero briefly for a moment, but now today we have broken out of this again and we lost that zero yet again. Currently trading right above this support level of 10.0, which is super important because we have seen it touch here and now here, so about 2 or 3 times in the past 2-3 days. Now we are back in this channel of 10.0 and 11.93. Obviously, there has been a lot of selling, especially on these levels right here. We have massive sell-off here, another here, and another here. It's to be expected. Obviously, not every single person out there holding EGC is going to hold EGC for a long time. There's a lot of traders, a lot of people in there to make quicker money, a lot of people pretty much waiting to make a certain amount of percentage to sell off, just to move their money to another altcoin out there, just to do the same thing. But what we do is see eventually, what I've seen eventually, a lot of these coins that do that, when well sell off or retail like us end up selling off, we usually go and put our money in a different altcoin that has a chance of mooning or whatever have, and then eventually take our profits and come back to our first long-term hold, which will be Evergrow coin. That's if they are able to manage and secure profits at a different coin. I'm not doing that for Evergrow coin. I'm just simply buying and holding Evergrow coin. And like I said, don't be wary, don't be scared when you do see red candles to the downside. That's just how the market is. There will always be a seller, just like hopefully there's always be a buyer. As long as the fundamentals and utility cases improve on Evergrow coin, you shouldn't really worry about that. So, what can we see on the price chart per coin? Obviously, right now there are a couple updates that I will cover in this video, so stay tuned for that. But as long as none of these updates go south, nothing else goes south in the project. If we maintain this channel of above 10.0 and under 11.93, at least until we get more momentum, more people come back to Evergrow coin, and it's especially Evergrow coin implements more of its buyback and burn, which we have been seeing recently, that they've been burning tons and tons of coins almost every single day, which is good because, as you know, that produces green candles, that removes coins in the market. So honestly, what we're really waiting on is on the utilities, especially Creator. Creator is super important. Honestly, it could make or break Evergrow coin, because a lot of the hype, a lot of the emotions going on temporarily, like in the short term, is about Creator. So hopefully that launches successfully. Hopefully no big issues. Hopefully all these beta testers out there that are testing Creator can do the best they can to improve the platform, improve the experience of its users. Its future users will be you and I, or even people that are not even in the cryptocurrency market, because as we know, Creator isn't just going to be made for people in the cryptocurrency market. It's going to be made for other creators out there that have no idea what probably cryptocurrency is about. So hopefully Creator could be the bridge between those newer creators to jump aboard of Creator, and in turn probably learn about EGC, cryptocurrencies, and just be a full circle. So that's the update for the price chart on Evergrow coin. Now let's head to Twitter and see any new updates regarding Evergrow coin. And right now, give me a follow at Twitter at InvestWithPaco, if you feel like it. So about 4 hours ago, Evergrow coin tweeted this about Creator, which is super bullish, because pretty much the whole time we thought that Creator will only be a website, like meaning you can only use your computer to access Creator. But this picture is super important, because why? It is on a mobile phone. Looks like there will be an app. Hopefully it's an app. I mean, I'm pretty sure looking at the picture, there's no URL on the top. So more likely Creator will come out with its own separate app, which honestly I'm so glad they are, because that's a way they could keep up to date with all its like competitors, is to have an app. Because more likely most of these people that are going to be using Creator are not going to probably log into the computer. They're more likely going to log in through a mobile version, which will be the app. So super important. Looks like they also changed the logo yet again. I know that a lot of people hate or love certain logos that the design team makes. Honestly, for me, I'm not really focusing too much on the logo. What I'm really focusing on is the product, meaning how well the user can do it, or use it, should I say. Also, if this is going to entice newer investor, newer creator to use Creator, that way it's easy to use, and a platform that everyone can trust. So here and there, before it gets released, we'll probably see more new logos, because Evergrow does love to tease people on new logos that the design team do. And then that's super bullish though, that it will be on mobile. So happy about that, to be honest. And then right here is about 2 hours ago, to celebrate 100,000 holders, which is super cool that Evergrow has surpassed its 130,000 holder mark. Super crazy how fast Evergrow has pretty much organically growth, not based by hype, just by its fundamentals. And it says here, we'll be launching a set of EGC logos that represent the Evergrow coin, no Evergrow army, so you can use them as profile pics on all of your social media and show the world how strong we are. So, okay, looks like they're gonna, if you want to replace your profile picture of any of your social media accounts, you can go ahead and use this logo and put your name. For example, here you go, you got Evergrow Paul has a logo and his name. That way you could identify who the person is via its profile picture. So that's pretty cool. You can go ahead and do that. In my opinion, I'm not gonna do that just for the fact that I do invest in many other projects. So obviously for me, Evercoin is not my only project I invest in, but it's super cool if Evercoin is your only cryptocurrency out there. It's your first one. Super important that you even found Evercoin. You find a good one, but go ahead, if you want to support Evergrow go ahead and use their profile picture and support the team out. Super cool about that. And let's see, any new updates? Not really. Oh, here's the new picture from Evergrow Sam. At first, I think they had sent him a different picture where it had a heart, but he went ahead and removed it. Let me see if we can see that. Yeah, right here. It says the design actually sent me this image on the left side first. I knew it was close, but realized the heart wasn't necessarily for the brain eye to understand. I opened up Apple Pay, rub it out, and sent it back. Less is more. So yeah, he has a point. Less is more. Sometimes when you overpower an image, adding too many things just makes everything so cluttered, and it's like less attractive. So yeah, I do agree. Less is more, at least in this situation. And yeah, I guess that's the latest news on Evergrow coin. Now let's look at that news article that I was talking about in the beginning, and it says what will be the next Dogecoin or Shiba Inu in 2022. And this is from Analytics Insight, and it was published January 16, 2022. And it says here there, and this I'm not really gonna read it. If you want, you can go ahead and read it on this website. But this first paragraph pretty much just talks about Dogecoin, of how it jumped about 16% from the news of Tesla accepting Dogecoin as merchandise, to purchase merchandise. But sadly, it did end up coming back down, not back all the way to its low, but did fall kind of down after the news. Not really much power through Elon Musk moving his favorite crypto, which honestly I don't see nothing wrong with Dogecoin. I love Dogecoin. I hold lots of coin. I hold a lot of Dogecoin on my personal account, so hopefully Dogecoin can do good 2022, because I'm really hoping on 2022 be the year for Dogecoin. But I know we're talking about Evergrow coin, so let's see what they had to say about Evergrow coin. One of the most talked about breakout cryptos of the second half of 2021, Evergrow would possibly already be in the billions if it wasn't for a combination of bad luck, bad data, launched just as the crypto market began to turn south. Evergrow was then plagued by data spikes, errors on CoinMarketCap, issues that led to concerns and fear from investors due to how new projects was. The halted Evergrow is as it was flying towards a $2 billion valuation. The project has now stagnated around 500 million since Evergrow has teased their 50,000 followers with screenshots, upcoming content creation platform creator, the world's first crypto friendly social media platform, expected to rival Facebook and OnlyFans. So they are talking pretty good about Evergrow coin. They're not wrong. Evergrow coin did kind of come out once pretty much a lot of the cryptos, the global crypto market was kind of heading towards the bad side of the market, a little temporary bear cycle. It's just crazy how well, even during those times, Evergrow coin did. It, like the article stated, it was heading towards a 2 billion market cap, but it just wasn't feasible because obviously if you would have seen your money or life-changing money, it will tempt a whole bunch of people to sell, that's eventually what happened. That's why we had a massive sell-off back then. And obviously it was a new crypto, a lot of new stuff out there. There wasn't really built so much fundamental at the beginning stage, but now we're at that stage that we know what the fundamentals are, we know what the utilities are, we know what Evergrow coin can do in these past couple of months, and now we're just holding, buying and holding to hopefully make that life-changing money in the future. And hopefully, like, even this article mentions creator being super important. In my opinion, creator will be one of those things in the short term that can make or break Evergrow coin. So hopefully they can improve and do all they can to make sure creator comes out to be super successful, because if it's super successful, trust me, the price chart will go insane. So yeah, guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoy. Hopefully it's not too long. Hopefully you stayed all the way to the end. If you did stay all the way to the end, let me know down in the comments description, in the comment section, and let me know that you watched this whole video. But yeah, subscribe down here. Go watch that video coming up next, and we'll catch you all next time. Peace.